So we're just going to change the puddle light. And if you look, there's a little notch. Just click. So it just clips out. Once we disconnect this, the car is going to make a bunch of noise. Just a little clip here. Push down. And disconnect. There's two lights, one's left, one's right. The left one goes on the driver's side, the right one goes on the passenger side. Plug it back in. Stick it back up in there. Make sure the orientation of the keys is correct. And that's it. That's all it takes. Also decided to go with the puddle lights on the back door. So basically same operation, same installation. Trunk installation isn't any different than the rest. I went with the brilliant white for the trunk. Even in the day, you can see the difference between how bright that is compared to how bright that is. And then up underneath the footwell, there's not much difference there. So all 6 of these have gone in identical. Just use your trim tool, pop them out, put in new ones.